Hi, I'm Chris Nally, and I wanted to take an opportunity to give you our tour today during our third annual open house. Our tour today started in our brand new manufacturing building. This facility allows us to treat our package plants in an assembly line fashion, manufacturing walls and then tanks. After the walls and floors are installed, the next step is to attach the equipment skid, penetrations, and structural supports to our tanks. For the purposes of our tour today, we have two projects on display in our storage yard. This 5,000-gallon MEMPAC E is designed for a mobile home park with a very small footprint and high groundwater for disposal. This 50-year stainless steel lift station vessel will be supplied with all attached equipment connection points, slide rails, and valves necessary for quick installation. The next stop on our tour today is a 195,000-gallon per day peak daily flow MEMPAC M. This system is designed for a small city in Washington State. This MEMPAC M unit is designed with the necessary redundant components and valving to allow the treatment plant operator to take processes offline without taking the system out of service. One of the benefits of having an open house is that our industry partners and clients can witness firsthand the level of quality and completeness that occurs within our manufacturing facility. Components like this influence screen are fully installed. All hydraulic, electrical, and control connections are made and tested here in the shop. All electrical conduits are installed overhead on this equipment skid. That provides the treatment plant operator the necessary space to perform daily inspections and routine maintenance. Those on the tour today were allowed to see firsthand our checklists related to our factory acceptance testing for electrical panels, hydraulics, and equipment. We were able to showcase a 16,000-gallon per day MEMPAC E designed for a local campground. This unit has an integrated chlorine contact chamber. We're excited to show off one of our newest products, the SEMPAC ceramic membrane sludge thickener. At the final stop on today's tour, attendees were able to meet with technical staff and get questions answered or more information.